हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल ऑब्जेक्टिव एग्रीकल्चर में। इस वीडियो में IBPS AFO 2013 का प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस किया गया है। यह वीडियो मॉक टेस्ट की तरह बनाया गया है। हम ऐसे ही और IBPS AFO का प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस पेपर को अपलोड करने वाले हैं। IBPS AFO 2013 का हिंदी क्वेश्चंस पेपर को भी अपलोड किया गया है, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। अगर आप हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाकर लिंक पर क्लिक कर देख सकते हैं। आपसे निवेदन है कि आप हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल ऑब्जेक्टिव एग्रीकल्चर को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। The question number 1 is, which of the following land types deserve sprinkle irrigation? Your option is A. Land type of humid regions. B. Land type of hilly areas. C. Wetland. D. Fragmented land. E. Dry land. You have 5 seconds time. Give the correct answer. The right answer is B. Land types of hilly areas deserve sprinkle irrigation. The next question is, as per the budget 2013 to 14, what is the total outlay of the Government of India on agriculture and allied activities? Option is 20,000 crore, B 23,000 crore, C 26,000 crore, D 27,000 crore, and the option number E is 30,000 crore. Give the answer. The right answer is D 27,000 crore. The next question is, which of the following is the purpose of extension in rural areas? Your option is A. To develop rural leadership. B. To organize saving camps. C. As certain cropping intensity. D. To organize social functions. The option number E is to introduce new crops. Give the answer. The right answer is A. To develop rural leadership. Purpose of extension in rural areas. The next question is, which of the following agroclimatic condition is suitable for wheat cultivation? Your option is A. Hot and humid climate. B. Wet and humid climate. C. Cold weather and heavy rainfall. D. Moderate temperature and moderate rainfall. E. Dry weather and scary rainfall. Give the correct answer. The right answer is D. Moderate temperature and moderate rainfall is agroclimatic condition is suitable for wheat cultivation. The next question is, which of the following crops is mainly grown in Vrak Valley? Your option is A. Sugarcane. B. Jute. C. Maize. D. Tea. And the last option E is cotton. Give the correct answer. The right answer is B. Jute. Jute is the mainly grown in Vrak Valley. Next question is, an example of single cell protein is. The option is A. Salmonella. B. Acetobacter. C. Rhizobium. D. Spinulina, E. Agar agar. The right answer is D. The next question is RFLP यानी restructured fragmented length polymorphism is A. Germicide, B. Herbicide, C. Growth promoter, D. Molecular maker, E. Growth retardant. Give the correct answer. The right answer is D. Molecular maker. The next question is which among the following components of organic matter present in the soil is the most resistant to decomposition? Your option is A. Humus, B. Cellulose, C. Oxygen, D. Starch, and E is none of these. Give the correct answer. The right answer is A. Humus. The next question is which of the activities is not included in animal husbandry? Your option is A. Purchase and rearing of cow, B. Purchase and rearing of goats, C. Purchase and rearing of pigs, D. Purchase and rearing of cattle, and the last option E is purchase of milk. You have 5 seconds time. Give the answer. The right answer is E. Purchase of milk is not included in animal husbandry. The next question is agricultural engineering generally comprises 4 branches. Which one of the following is not one of them? Your option is A. Rural structure, B. Soil conservation, drainage and irrigation, C. Cold storage, and D. Rural electricity, and the last one E is farm implement and power. Give the answer. The right answer is C. Cold storage is not included, yeah, not one of them in agriculture engineering. The next question is Ratna is a variety of which of the following fruit? Your option is A. Banana, B. Guava, C. Papaya, D. Apple, and E. Mango. The right answer is E. Mango. Ratna is the variety of mango. The next question is what is the approximate net या gross crop area in India? Your option is A. 78 million hectare, B. 100 million hectare, C. 150 million hectare, D. 200 million hectare, and E. 300 million hectare. The right answer is D. 200 million hectare. The next question is which of the following expresses the approximate geographical area of India? Now your option is 20 lakh kilometer square, 25 lakh kilometer square, 32 lakh kilometer square, 40 lakh kilometer square, and the last is 50 lakh kilometer square. Give the correct answer. The right answer is C. 32 lakh kilometer square. The next question is, under which condition does a seller sell goods below the marginal cost? Your option is A, due to cross subsidization, B, because of deep pockets, C, to increase market shares, D, to drive out competitors, and the last is E, all of these. Give the correct answer. The option is E, right answer, all of these. The question number 15, who is known as the architect of the White Revolution in India? Your option is A, Jawaharlal Nehru, B, M.S. Swaminathan, C, Lal Bahadur Shastri, D, Varghese Kurian, and the E is none of these. Give the answer. The right answer is D. Varghese Kurian is the architect of the White Revolution in India. The question number 16. Which of the following means filling of land? Your option is A, preparation of land for next crop, B, digging wells, C, harvesting of crops, D, draining the land, and E is irrigating the land. Give the correct answer. The right answer is D, digging wells. Oh, sorry. The right option is D, drainage the land. The next question is, volatilization of ammonia in soil increases in. Your option is CEC of soil, clay content of the soil, NaCO3 content of the soil, CaCO3 content of the soil, and E is moisture content of the soil. Give the answer. The right answer is E, moisture content of the soil. The question number 18, which of the following region deserve drip irrigation? Your option is cotton soil region, B, hot and humid region, C, high rainfall region, D, all of these, and E is none of these. Give the correct answer. The right answer is A, cotton soil region. The next question is, which of the following do not come under loan system for delivery of bank credits? Your option is A, bills limits, B, period of loan, C, ADHOC credit limits, D, sharing of working capital finance, and E, ombudsman scheme. The right answer is E. The next question is, which of the following is highly digestive protein crops? A, maize, B, cotton, C, paddy, D, wheat, and E is pulse. Give the correct answer. The right answer is D, wheat. Wheat is highly digestive protein crops. The next question is, which of the following constitutes indirect finance to agriculture? Your option is A, loan of 15 lakh sanctioned to dealers of agricultural machinery, B, loan sanctioned up to 1.5 crore to sugarcane growers, loan sanctioned up to 2.5 crores to a farmers for crop production. The option number D, loan of 50 lakhs sanctioned against pleads hypothecation of produce. The option number E, local sanctioned to sugar companies for finance of receivable of farmers against their supplies of agriculture produce to sugarcane companies. Give the answer. D, loan of 50 lakh sanctions against pledged hypothecation of produce. IBPS AFO 2013 के हिंदी पेपर का भी वीडियो हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पे है, जिसका लिंक आपको इसके डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। अगर आपको हिंदी में भी इस पेपर को देखना है तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन पर दिए क्लिक कर लें, आप वहाँ से पा लेंगे। या इसके लिए IBPS AFO प्रीवियस ईयर प्लेलिस्ट बनाया हुआ हूँ मैं हिंदी वर्जन, उसमें भी जाकर आप ढूंढ लीजिएगा, वहाँ पे भी मिल जाएगा। तो चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट फाइबर क्रॉप्स? योर ऑप्शन इज ए जूट, बी पैडी, सी बैम्बो, डी कॉटन and E is none of these. Give the right answer. B, paddy. Paddy is a not fiber crops. The next question is National Institutes of Agricultural Marketing is located at. Your option is A, Jaipur, B, Lucknow, C, Karnal, D, Hyderabad and E, Moradabad. Give the right answer. The right answer is A, Jaipur. The next question is regions with annual means temperature of more than 24 degrees Celsius fall under which zones? Now your option is alpine, B, subtropical, C, tundra, D, tropical and E is none of these. The right answer is D, tropical. The next question is which of the following activities do not come under watershed management? Your option is A, development of macro level water resources, B, development of drip and sprinkle irrigation system, C, subsurface water harvesting structure, D, development of recharge filter for dug wells. The option number E is domestic water supply management. Give the right answer. The answer is A, development of macro level water resources is the right answer. The next question is deficiency of which of the following minerals या elements causes miscellaneous? Right, your option is calcium, B, protein, C, vitamin, D, iron and the last option is all of these. Give the correct answer. The right answer is C. The next question is in jute growing areas the usual alternate crop is. Your option is A, paddy, B, sugarcane, C, wheat, D, tea and E, cotton. Give the right answer. The right answer is A. The next question is which of the following compounds can make the color of the soil white. Your option is A. Nitrogen, B. Calcite, C. Iron oxide, D. Gluconite, or E. None of these. Give the right answer. The right answer is B. Calcite. The next question is BIOM is alternative to inorganic fertilizer. So BIOM is A. Azotobacter, B. Nitrogen fixing bacteria, C. PCB, D. Mycorrhiza, or E. Azoospermillum. Give the answer. The right answer is D. Mycorrhiza. The next question is which of the following activities is not included in direct agricultural finance? Your option is A. Purchase of tractor for farmers, B. Purchase of wasteland for production of crops, C. Storage of agricultural produce, D. Cultivation of crops, E. Purchase of cow. The right answer is E. Purchase of cow. The next question is what will be the cropping intensity if two crops are grown on the same land in a year? Your option is 20%, B 50%, C 100%, D 200%, E 300%. Give the right answer. The right answer is D 200%. The next question is which of the following is a saturated fatty acid? Your option is palmitic acid, B hydrochloric acid, C boric acid, D salicylic acid, or E none of these. Give the answer. The right answer is A palmitic acid. The next question is which of the following is not a part of agronomy? Your option is A. Soil preparation for cropping, B. Promotion of cropping intensity, C. Plant nutrition planning, D. Intercrop culture development, or E. Sheep raising planning. Give the right answer. The right answer is E. Sheep raising planning. The next question is what is the planned growth of agriculture under RKVY? Your option is 3%, B 4%, C 5%, D 6%, E 7%. Give the right answer. The right answer is B 4%. The next question is what does RKVY stand for? Your option is रूरल कृषि विकास योजना, बी राष्ट्रीय कृषि विकास योजना, सी रीजनल कृषि विकास योजना, डी राष्ट्रीय किसान विकास योजना, एंड द लास्ट ऑप्शन ई इज रीजनल कस्तरीय विकास योजना. गिव द राइट आंसर. द राइट आंसर इज बी राष्ट्रीय कृषि विकास योजना. The next question is which of the following cropping practice is eco-friendly? Your option is A. Organic farming, B. Cultivation, C. Land farming, D. House farming, or E. None of these. Give the right answer. The right answer is A. Organic farming. The next question is the Union Budget of 2012 to 30 has announced to introduce the Food Security Bill. What was the cost of that bill on the exchequer? Your option is A. 50 billion, B. 100 billion, C. 150 billion, D. 200 billion, E. 250 billion. Give the right answer. The right answer is C. 150 billion. The next question is which one of the following is not a direct agricultural advance? Your option is A. Advance up to 2 crore for pre-harvest activities. B. Advance up to 2 crore for poultry activities. C. Advance of 3 crore to State Cooperative Marketing Federation. D. Advance up to 2 crore to small and marginal farmers for raising crops. And the last option E is advance up to 2 crore to farmers for agricultural machinery implement. Give the right answer. The right answer is C. Advance of 3 crore to State Cooperative Marketing Federation. The next question is which of the following has the largest share in the import bill of India? Your option is A. Natural gas, B. Machine tools, C. Petroleum and crude oil, D. Gold, and E is food. The right answer is C. Petroleum and crude oil. The next question is which of the following is the most important resources for agricultural production after land and water? Your option is agricultural loans, B. Environmental security, C. Biomass, D. Fertilizers, and E is none of these. Give the right answer. The right answer is D. Fertilizer. The next question is which of the following activities does not come under financial inclusion? Option A. Collection of application forms of poorest the poor for examination. B. Explaining bank insurance product. C. Construction of roads in rural areas. D. Collection of documents for opening of saving bank accounts. And the last E is delivery of financial service at an affordable cost to vast section of low income and disadvantaged groups. Give the right answer. The right answer is A. Collection of application forms of poorest of the poor for examination. The next question is which of the following makes cropping more intensive? Option A. Use of irrigation. B. Cropping pattern. C. Use of organic manure. And D. Use of chemical fertilizer. E. High yielding varieties of seeds. Give the right answer. The right answer is D. Use of chemical fertilizers. The next question is what is the full form of RKBY? A form of insurance scheme in rural sector. Now your option is राष्ट्रीय कृषक बीमा योजना, B राष्ट्रीय कर्म बीमा योजना, सी राष्ट्रीय किसान बीमा योजना, डी राष्ट्रीय कृषि बीमा योजना, एंड ई नन ऑफ दीज। The right answer is D, राष्ट्रीय कृषि बीमा योजना। The next question is, which of the following is the result of the mating of two breeds of animals of the same species? Your option is horse, B tiger, C dog, D cat, and the last option is E mule. The right answer is E mule. The next question is, ammonium fraction in the soil is due to option A microbial adsorption, B soil exchange reaction, C microbial immunization, D mobile microbial fraction, or E microbial deposition. The right answer is E microbial deposition. The next question is, which of the following soil properties does not change by cropping and cultivation? Your option is silt content, B clay content, C bulk density, D soil texture, E none of these. Give the right answer. The right answer is E none of these. The next question is, the diameter of spray drops form most sprayers vary between options A 1 to 5 micron meter, B 50 to 100 micron meter, C 100 to 200 micron meter, D 150 to 200 micron meter, E 200 to 3 micron meter. Give the right answer. The right answer is C 100 to 200 micron meter. The next question is, which of the following region received the monsoon first? Your option is A Bay of Bengal region, B coastal region of Gujarat, C Himalaya region, D coastal region of Kerala, D E coastal region of Maharashtra. Give the right answer. The right answer is D coastal region of Kerala. The next question is, why is flood jet nozzle used? A. Minimize the effect of chemicals. B. Quick delivery of spray liquid. C. Better adhesion of liquid. D. Reduction of liquid. E. Increasing the droplet size. Give the answer. The right answer is B. Quick delivery of spray liquid. The last question is, which of the following is correct sequence of process involved in agriculture? A. Harvesting, processing, threshing. B. Threshing, harvesting, processing. C. Threshing, processing, harvesting. D. Processing, threshing, harvesting. And the last option E is harvesting, threshing, processing. Give the right answer. The correct answer is E. Harvesting, threshing, and processing.